Mosfet flasher oscillation circuit. The two Mosfet IRF 540N are controlled form and oscillation, according to the characteristic that the capacitor voltage cannot change suddenly. Required components: 2 capacitors 4.7 microfarad, 2 Mosfet IRF 540N, and 2 resistors 200 kilo ohms. A 200 kilo ohm resistor is connected to the Mosfet gate to drain terminal, and it will conduct as soon as the power is supplied. The 4.7 microfarad capacitor is placed between the two Mosfet gate negative and drain positive so that they can pull each other. You can use a light bulb to observe the working status of the circuit. It starts working when the power is turned on. Its principle is similar to that of multi-vibrator oscillation. The teacher taught this circuit when I was in school. The principle is also very simple. Although two Mosfet are powered at the same time, in fact, one of them will always lead. Then, capacitor pull the voltage of the other Mosfet down, wait until the resistor recharges the capacitor until the second tube turns on, then pulls the first tube down and keeps pulling it back and forth to form an oscillation circuit. The smaller the capacitance, the faster the frequency, vice versa. The larger the capacitor, the lower the frequency. By adjusting the value of RC, you can get the desired flashing frequency. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.